Hi everyone, this is Katie here. So today's video is about the trades being placed for the week of 14 April 2025 to 17 April 2025. This week is a roller coaster week as prices went up and prices went down. So there's a couple of trades that are being made, which belongs to about in a summary of probably three categories. Uh, Probably category one is to buy puts to hedge against the stock from falling, and in the meantime, boosting up the excess liquidity. The second category of trades being placed are the rolling of the options position to a later expiration date, gaining the premium. And the last category, it's strategy trying uh, to execute on TSM because earnings release was uh, during that week on the Thursday itself. So there was a strategy trying uh, to buy calls and also sell puts for reversal. Okay, so let's take a look. So for AMD April 17, 2025, 91 put, and so far April 25, 2025, $10 put. So this because the week before bought puts to hedge, so close the position to get the credit because market was tending upwards on the first day, but during the week it went back down. So in hindsight, probably we have just left the position open, but anyway, this is a lesson learned. So just to remember, the intention of buying the puts is to hedge the stocks from going downwards. So even if there is a market rebound, probably it could be a fake bull trap, or nevertheless, if it really goes up from that moment of time uh, and it starts to go up, I think we can just keep these puts intact because the original intention is just to hedge the position and then to have your excess positive excess liquidity. So even though if market goes upwards, right, and your puts haven't expired, on the whole, your whole portfolio value will still go up. Which means that when once you place your puts, you don't expect to really get back the premium. Okay, next for AMD, May 9, 2025 at 111, roll it to May 23 in the process of getting of zero point 0.8 credit. For SoFi, bought SoFi puts for April 25 at 10.50 because the market was tanking downwards and also boost accessibility. And in the meantime, also sold $10 strike price for SoFi expiring April 17 to get some additional credit. So it's like a spread here. Also bought $9.50 puts. It's a spread within the spread. Yeah. I think the intention of this is because I was seeing that my accessibility is going down. So I bought more puts just to hedge the position. Next, roll SoFi from $16 to May 30th in the process of getting 0.06 credit. So AMD calls at $96 to get that premium. And also roll TSM call from May 2nd to May 9th in the process of getting 0.22 credit. Bought more SoFi puts in the week as market was going downwards. Okay, this is the category three talking about TSM because earnings release. Well, earnings was positive, but however, the lesson learned here is actually to place these trades the day before instead of 2 days before earnings release. because there's still fluctuation between the 2 days. So options price is quite expensive. Yeah. And the following day after I placed these trades, TSM actually went down to 150, 152 region. So in hindsight, probably should be half an hour before the market close, where earnings are going to be released the next day. We should place these trades, and probably it will be a better outcome for this. Okay, so trying to balance the net overall net credit here, like selling puts to fund the purchasing of calls. Next, bought back MU calls at 95 and roll it to May 30th, getting about 0.18 credit for this. Same goes for SoFi, roll it to May 30th, got credit of 0.02. Place more puts to hedge against the market that is trending downwards. So purchase puts for TSM, purchase puts for MU, purchase puts for SoFi, purchase puts for AMD. Next, roll AMD 96 core to May 30th. Uh, oh, sorry, not rolling. Sold calls for AMD at May 2nd for 96 to gain extra premium of 1.81. And then place naked calls for $120 at May 30th for AMD. Why I'm saying is a naked call because for May 2nd, I have AMD also at 120, but it's really very out of the money. So just to calculated risk to place an additional trades on this. In the meantime, also bought more puts for MU. And then for TSM calls, bought back because it was a good price to buy back as this was a naked call being placed. Next, for TSM, bought the puts and roll it to May 2nd to gain the extra premium of about 3.1. So bought the puts for TSM to hedge it, and then sold the puts for MU and AMD, and then roll it to the I wouldn't say roll it, bought the puts to gain the extra premium so that I can place more puts for the week of May 2nd and April 25. So as to hedge the positions in case the market tanks again. So SoFi puts at 950, so to gain the extra premium. And then the contracts expired on the April 17 when market closes. So looking at this, initially was intending to wake up half an hour before the market and to close all the positions. Didn't manage to wake up. So in the meantime, I think there was a missed opportunity to close my positions to get back extra credits or extra premium. But nevertheless, this is a lesson learned. So I'll have to set the alarms correctly. So I think that's all for this week's trades being placed. Um, well, this is 30th of April, so just have to monitor the week of the next week of April to see overall how's the position for for April, where all the trades were being made because there were quite a number of positions on that gives credit, and there were some positions that were debit. So overall, when I look at my position for this month, it's still overall positive uh, on the amount of premiums sold. So just have to monitor the price action of the stocks for next week and to see how it goes. There's a Fed meeting in May, so if there is a rate cut or good news, probably the stock market will start to go up from there. So we just need to weather through this period of time, continue to roll your positions, get extra uh, premiums from rolling of the options or selling calls, selling covered calls, selling naked calls. Yeah. And I think that's all for now. So remember to like this video and also like this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. Have a great day, everyone. Signing off.